Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Photo apps, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to turn your ordinary photo to a cinematic photos in Google Photo app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Photo app. After you open up your Google Photo app, next thing you want to do is to click on Create right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Cinematic Photo. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the photo you want to use right here. So I'm going to use this photo right here. Once you select your photo, go ahead and click on Create. Just like so. So you can see now that the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply hit on Save right here. You can see as add motion and it turns to a cinematic photo. So go ahead and click on Save right here. This will allow you to download the video into your gallery. Just like so. After a successful download, then you have the cinematic right here. Go ahead and play it, and it's that simple. Just like so. Then you can as well go ahead and click on Edit tab right here. Then you can crop, you can adjust, you can auto filter, you can speed up, increase the speed right here. You can as well add music right here. So let's go ahead and add a music. I'm going to put in this particular music right here. And I will go ahead and click on select the music right here. And just like so. So play the music to listen to the sound. So once you are satisfied with the sound, go ahead and click on this check mark here to accept. Boom, you have the sounding right here. Let's play the video. Just like so. You can add fade in, fade out. So for that, you want to make sure I click on here to add fade in, fade out. So I can increase the fade in right here, and I can reduce the fade out right here. So once you are satisfied with the effect, go ahead and click on here to play the video. Let's find out. This is fading in 7 seconds and fade out in 0.9 seconds. Once you are satisfied with the result, go ahead and click on this check mark right here. Boom. So we have the effect being successfully added. You can also work on the audio volume, sliding this way and check different effects. Click on here to see different effects. You can auto correct the color. You can also add filter to the image. So go ahead and click on filters. This allows you to choose different kind of available filter. This is vivid. So if you are satisfied with the vivid 100%, then you are good to go. You can as well click on it and then work on the vivid percentage. You can easily turn down the percentage, slide in this way. Once you are satisfied, go ahead and click on this check mark. Then let's play the video from the beginning right here. Just like so. You can see it's that simple. Once you are satisfied with the result, go ahead and simply click on save right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And you are done saving video. So allow the video to save completely. Then let's play the video. Now you have the video right now in your phone devices and at the same time as a backup in your Google Photo. It's that simple. More useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Photo app. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.